guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn about sampling using Excel. So are you a student, are you a researcher, are you that person who is working in an organization? You are planning to go to the field to collect data, and due to financial constraint you cannot do census where you are going to involve everyone. You need a sample size. So if you have been doing manually, stop doing that and come and learn here. We are going to show you how to do sampling using Excel. So first thing is to ensure that you have your data analysis icon in Excel, and if you don't have it, you need to add it. You go to File, you go to More, Options, Add-ins, Analysis, Toolpack. So for me, I'm not going to click, and then you click OK. So for me, I'm not going to click OK because I already have the data analysis icon in my Excel. So in case you have added it and then you cannot see it, you need to restart your laptop so that it can be reflected. Sometimes it happens like that. Don't feel depressed or don't feel bad saying that I have added it and it's not working. No, you need to restart your laptop so that it can be reflected. And where do you locate data analysis icon? You go to data and then you have it. So now we are ready to start doing the sampling. So how do you do it? You can, the first step is you can select your headers, and then you click Shift Control page down to select all the table, and then you come here to select the icon. Also, the other way is for you to select this farm ID. So Shift Control page down, and then you select. So and then the other one, you can go here, click the sampling, and then OK, and then you select the input. So I'm going to select that. So Shift Control and then page down, and then label the input label doesn't have labels, so I'm not going to click that. Then you click periodic. So I'm going to select number after every 5 number. So I'm going to give it 5 or 2, any number that you want to be selecting your random numbers. So you click also random number of samples. So I want 10 people, and then you're supposed to select where you want to. So you select where you want your output to appear. So it can be in a new book, it can be in a new worksheet. Mine will be in these cells, and then you click OK, and then your numbers are generated. So that's how you can do random sampling easier way in Excel, and you get random numbers. So for this sampling method that you use it for simple random sampling, systematic, stratified, and for you to generate random numbers. So how do you go about after here? So for the numbers that have been selected, because we were using the farmer ID, because we were dealing with farmers, beneficiaries whom we want to collect data from. So these are the numbers which have been generated, but doesn't speak anything about the people that we want to collect data from. So how do you do it? So like for example, this number 11, you're going to pick number 11, the name of that farmer, location, and you're going to collect data from this farmer. You go to 26 and select that farmer. So you're going to pick those numbers and then generate that list of farmers, the information of their location and everything, contact, so that you can plan and kickstart to do data collection. So this is how you do it, and it's a very simple way, and it is random way. You're going to get random farmers. You're not going to be biased. So, and then you're not going to be tired because the computer is going to perform for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more if you have not subscribed. If you have done it, kindly be clicking to see more content, more information, and more knowledge. Thank you. Bye-bye.